Hello everybody, I will show you the basic usage of BIM collaboration format plugin for Autodesk Revit. So if we go to the add-ins tab, we click to BCF plugin, we will be prompted this window. This is the main window from where we will be doing everything. Let's try to add a new issue. A snapshot is generated automatically. We can select also another view style. Or we can also load a custom image. You can optionally already add a comment to the issue, so there is a description of it. Verbal status is an explanation of the status error, is optional. It's also possible to add issues of perspective view. To do this, we need to open an existing camera, and now we can add the issue. If we add some elements, this will be stored in BCF files, so when we open it in Solibri or again in Revit or in Tekla BIMSight, only the visible elements of this view will be shown. From the settings menu, it's possible to set your name, to change the default visual style that will appear when opening a view, to use the system default application for opening snapshots, and to force perspective view to open in isometric mode. So now you can see the image has been opened in the Windows Photo Viewer. Okay, now let's save our BCF file. It's very important before exporting the project to IFC to set the project base point location to 0. So we switch to side view. If the project base point is not visible, you can select it. Project base point has to be checked. And it's important these values are all set to 0. Otherwise, there will be some mistakes when opening the views in Solibri or Tekla. So now we can export the model to IFC. From Solibri, we now open the IFC file. And we can load the BCF file. If we click on the issues, they will be automatically shown. From Solibri, we can perform some checking, for instance. In this case, we have placed a column in front of a door, and we want to show this to the designer. And now we can export again the BCF file. Back in Revit, we can open it. The file can also be opened in Tekla BIMSight.